Well, don't tell anyone, and you did not hear this from me, but for the hiking club, the password. We have made it to camp. I'm gonna get plugged in here in a second. Right across the way here, there's the restrooms. When I was pulling in right down that way, looks like a really cool trail that follows, there's a lake right out there. So follows that lake. Right now, let's get camp set up before it gets dark. I think it's gonna be a good spot. Made it. Gonna get some lights plugged in. Here is camp, looking out the windows, and we're supposed to get a spot of weather here pretty soon. So might make for an interesting evening. But we got a great site here, and for now, only ones in the park. All right, camp is set up. Just poured a little Stoke cold brew for this afternoon. Should be good. And then before the sun goes down, I want to go just do a little small hike right over here. So get a couple more things squared away and then go hit that little trail real quick. It's nice. I brought my big camera stuff up. Oh, we got a deer right in front of us. Just like I was saying. All right, I'm going to slowly walk back. He's right over there. I don't know if you guys can see him or not. He's right there. Just a really healthy looking doe. That's one of those deals. I knew I should have had this out even before we started walking. But let's see. There's got to be a few of them down here. I've already seen a pheasant. And you can hear them too. Oh, there they go right there. There he is. Hold on. Stay there. That's always a good camp. Hello, ma'am. Well, I have a feeling this is going to be a really good camp. It's getting all still. It's supposed to storm tonight. Really looking forward to some weather, some snow. And this is a beautiful, beautiful little park. So let's keep going. I haven't gotten a good picture yet. Too much going on. Man, how pretty is this tonight? Holy cow. Wow, is this cool? Amazing. It's a lake off this way. Oh, super cool. What a cool spot. This is just part of the Blue Mound Um, kind of cool little, like a quartzite cliff. Wow. So cool. Yeah, this is a neat spot. It's got a good feel to it. All right, let's see how this looks. I'll show you how I see it. I have to tilt it a little bit. Yeah, I think we're good right there. What do you think? Exposure good? 2, 3. Always watch for, watch your horizon line. Real easy to adjust for right here. You don't have to crop everything in the computer then. Try and get that horizon pretty straight. Looking good. Well, folks, I am going to be here for a couple of days. So there's going to be a lot of footage. So I'm going to let you guys go. I'll check back in. I'm probably going to grab a little bite to eat after a bit. We've got a really good camp here. We're the only ones here. Tonight's not supposed to be bitterly cold. That is tomorrow. Really, really cool sunset tonight. Good light. But yeah, I can't tell if that cloud bank coming in right there is that front. Because things are definitely supposed to change. They just weren't sure on when. There's supposed to be a really strong north wind tonight. So they just weren't sure when that was going to happen.
For this damn drug dealer.
Got the Progresso Jambalaya going.
Let's go home.
Some Reno 911. All right, folks, we are getting ready to head to bed. Did not do a fire tonight. It was with the drive up, getting camp set up and all that. We're going to save the firewood for tomorrow. So I'm looking forward to a good day tomorrow. And I will see you all in the morning, hopefully. Fingers crossed. A little bit of weather out there. And there are some cool things up here. Buffalo, we're going to go explore a little bit tomorrow. And then also we're going to do like a 4 to 5 mile hike. I woke up at 3:30 and it was coming down already. It's kind of temperatures dropped quite a bit. When I woke up earlier, it had more of a rain to it. But yeah, we're definitely getting locked in. It did stay, anywhere 65, 64 to 68 in here last night. I would say that's a pretty comfortable sleep. Let's get some coffee going. We have a great day planned today. There is a herd of buffalo here that I want to go check out. We're gonna do a hike / photo trip, which is usually what my hikes end up being anyway. So we're gonna get teeth brushed. We got our clothes changed, get some teeth brushed, and get some coffee going. Hot cup of coffee on a morning like this out in the snow. It's a good day. That is the normal bathhouse during seasonal hours. The other latrine is right there, and it's open. Let's go check it out. All right, Blue Mounds, let's see what you got. A lot of snow over here. Look at the snow on the handle. Wow. Open her up. Wow. Yeah. Very nice. Oh, heck yeah. 2 thumbs up. Freshly painted. All the supplies you need. A mirror. We can see by the trees, definitely a pretty strong wind-driven snow out of the north here. Definitely got to declare a snow corner there. Coming in and out. Tracking. Like I said, we're gonna do we're gonna gear up for a big hike. That's gonna be probably our morning plan. On Twitter, the National Weather Service out of Sioux Falls, I responded to one of their tweets with a picture here, and they responded back that they'd like me to measure some snow. So I'm a professional weatherman now, also. Sorry, weather person. I'm going to go ahead and add that into my palmares of accolades and talents. I'm officially a meteorologist. That just happened. Great coffee this morning. Good camp. Hopefully the day just keeps getting better and better. Well, for any photographer type people out there, we're getting ready to load up for a hike. I'm taking the little Joby stand for the phone to shoot some video. In here, I'm going to keep a body with a 20 millimeter wide angle and a 50 millimeter. And then over here, we are going to take the big dog out, 200 to 500 on a Z camera. And do this little bag over my shoulder, easier to access in the snow. Have that one ready to rock and roll. We're going to go out and try and make this hike happen. Well, let's head out on this hike. Wind is picking up. They did say that today, that it was supposed to, I think, get up to almost 40 mile an hour winds out of the north. This rock is all around the park here, but make for some cool bouldering in the summertime, I bet. That's got to be a little line to climb up, a little bit of an overhang on it. We can see the buffalo. They are right there. Oh, big finger, big finger. We do have some buffalo. Awesome. Hopefully at the end of this road. Look at this guy running in. How cool. Sorry, phone's blowing up. Look at that. Oh my God, amazing. All right, I'm going to apologize for the wind noise. There's our Tatonka right there. I had a vision in my head when I came up here for a photo, and I got it. Check it out. I wanted a real strong black and white buffalo in the snow. Boom, we got it. Hey, if you do Instagram, follow me over there. You can check out this picture. So we got the buffalo right over my shoulder. Sorry for the wind. Here it comes. Conditions are absolutely miserable out here, which is awesome. It keeps everybody else away. I'm literally out here hanging with a bunch of buffalo. Perfect. Great park. And wintertime is the right time to camp. Oh wow, I got pheasants flying everywhere out here. So cool. Beautiful out. We do have it. It's starting to snow again, really, really hard all of a sudden. Wind's picking up. I'm on this trail here. The mounds are right there. Woo, hopefully you can hear me. We're on the lower cliffline trail right now. I'm actually pretty warm, but man, the snow is, it's almost like a blizzard out here right now. Good stuff. That's where those buffalo are, clear up there on that hill. We've walked. There's a viewing platform. Sorry for the shaky. And we walked all the way from back that way. Walk down and check out that other little area that we explored last night, and then we're gonna do a little bit of lunch. I think we're doing some spicy tomato soup. Oh, we made it back. Ooh. Oh, we made it. Woo. Well, it's saying 67 in here while we've been gone. That's perfect. All right, let's get out of these clothes. Our spicy tomato soup, rocking and rolling. Enjoying some World Cup soccer this afternoon and watching for deer. We are going to get out for a little bit more of a hike again. I want to go explore this other side of the park this afternoon. So we're going to watch the rest of the World Cup. Enjoy our lunch, spiced tomato soup and peanut butter and jelly. We've been watching some World Cup soccer. It's been a blast. Ate some lunch, and I think I'm going to go explore that north end of the park. The temperature has dropped a ton. The wind chill's kicked in. I don't know if I can do a fire. The feels like right now is 7, I think. It's pretty cold out. The wind is just cutting. I know for sure I can go do a hike as long as you keep moving. I just don't know about standing around a wind-driven fire. So we'll see if that happens or not. But we are going to do a hike. I'm going to get a little cold brew on board and then go hit the trail. Getting ready to head out for the second hike of the day. Put on some heavy pants, fleece lined pants, rocking the headgear. I was noticing on that last one the wind was dropping right in on my neck, so thankfully I had this in here. Rocking the headgear. The wind chill right now is 4 degrees, so we're gonna go do a hike. Why wouldn't you? This is the path we're on this afternoon, trying to stay out of the wind as much as I can. It is chilly, but really pretty out here today. Beautiful. Said we're on the north end of the park now. Gonna try and work our way around over to that prairie over on the other side so we can look back at the campground a little bit. I'm clear down that way. Well, I'm not gonna lie, this has been quite the hike. We were clear up there. You can just see that white trail. Sorry, I'm gonna move this real quick. That's I was up on top of that hill. Worked my way all the way around this prairie. The van is actually just across the water right there. But we're about halfway, I think. And I've been out here for about an hour, maybe even a little bit more. Beautiful evening. So quiet out here right now. Out of the wind, feels really good. Let's keep moving. Well, don't tell anyone, and you did not hear this from me, but for the hiking club. Well, cool. We made it off the trail to this rock outcropping. Right off the trail here. Sorry for all the movement. And then boom. Oh, I bet we're, say 25 feet up off the lake. I'm not going to go any closer with icy boots and slick rock. That's the edge right there. That'd be a bad day. The van is back that way. Man, great afternoon and a great park. Winter time is the right time. Speaking of winter time for camping, it is really the right time to be out here. I think it was Reinhold Meisner, the Swiss, summited Everest without oxygen. But I think he's the one that said the weather will always be there, it's just how you're dressed for it. There's guys, you know, up on Denali right now, negative 100-mile-an-hour wind chills. It's all how you're dressed for it. So dress warm, layer up, and get outside. As you can hear the wind, right now we are walking. We've been walking a lot today. Yeah, it's going to be up, I think I said, I don't know if I did, it's going to end up being over 9 miles for me today out here. There are just pheasant moving everywhere. Woo! Long, lonely road today. Ready to be back to the van. I am going past the buffalo one more time, so I might check that out real quick. Woo! We are back just at sunset. It is, what is it, 5 o'clock? Ooh, excuse me. I've been walking a long time. Really, really nice sunset. Beautiful. It is cold out here. Holy moly. Look at the wind. I'm glad I got a little tree cover. I gotta check that wind chill. Wow. We are back. Holy cow. That was a long freaking walk. Wow. All right. We made it. We're doing a little supplemental heating. Little chilly in here, 58. It is 12 degrees, feels like 5 outside. Got the electric heater going. I wonder if this guy's starting to get a little tired. And I'm gonna supplement for a little bit with the Mr. Heater Buddy. These guys just rock. So it'll warm right up in here. It is cold out here. Holy moly. Really cold. We're gonna call it a night. See my shadow there? How's it going? Looking out the back of the van. The wind is coming out of the north so hard, I can't open the side window or the side door. I can open it, but the temperature in the van just plummets. It's really, really cold out right now. I'll see you folks in the morning. Well, good morning. What we've got this morning is, let me get this off here real quick. What'd they say? It's 20-mile-an-hour sustained winds right now with a temperature of 11. It feels like is -7. A little chilly out there. So basically just going to do a load and go this morning. I don't want to go outside and pick that stuff up that's in the snow out there. It's going to be cold. We stayed warm all night. It's 60 in here right now. That heater did just crank the whole time I was here. So I had to put up the extra curtain to just, it's, I think that might be my coldest night camping in here. The wind is just it shook the van all night long. So yep, All right, let's get some stuff packed up and we're gonna get on the road. I'm not gonna lie, a little nervous starting the van this morning. Hadn't ran in 2 days. You can see we're very, very iced over, and that is on the inside. Wow, holy moly. Oh, okay, it's not too bad, it's just right here. Yeah, that's on the inside. Holy cow. All right, what do we got here? Yeah, it's saying 10. That'd be a heater. Oh. Wow. That's where that step goes. Yeah. All right. The firewood did not burn. Not too bad. Out of the wind. You wouldn't last very long out there, though. No. No. Stay. All right. Cool. Got it. All right, let's unplug. It's hard to tell. Sorry, that defroster's running on overtime. It's hard to tell, inside or outside. There's just water running in here. It is cold out this morning. Holy cow. That north wind. We are moving though. We got camp picked up. Winter has arrived. Folks, we are on the road. I'd say a pretty successful camp, a lot of fun. Yesterday was just a blast. Buffalo, and I think that's the most I've hiked in a day since Colorado, definitely. Ended up doing over 9 miles yesterday walking out in the snow, but it was a lot of fun. So thanks for coming along. I just crossed back over from Minnesota into Iowa. Oh, I did want to say one more thing about Blue Mounds. Great park. Definitely, I would give it a 10 out of 10, 2 thumbs up, but I just can't, I didn't go into detail because that ranger was right there. The cost, it was actually a pretty expensive camp. And I understand I got caught with the out of state, needed a day pass for 2 days. But so it ended up being, it was $34 a night for electric, plus a $7 fee for park fee. So it ended up being $41 a night. So just be aware of that. And you know, I mean, $80 to camp for 2 days, it's kind of expensive, you know. Other than that, everything was awesome there. Great facilities, great hiking, buffalo, all that. So great trip. Thanks for coming along. Sorry I got a little long-winded there. So everybody take care. Have a great week.